Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Connor Branding, or Connor here today. We're going to give you guys a brand new video. So today I tweeted out on Twitter to ask questions for a Q&A. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. It's just answering the questions that you guys tweeted at me. And yeah, so let's get right into it. The first question coming out from Karma Arts asks, where do you want to take your career? Now, this is it's a tough question because I have a lot of places where I do want to take my career, and I have a lot of goals that I want to accomplish within design and my whole entrepreneur career, whatever you want to call it. Design specifically, it would be cool to get into an agency and then just run my Connor branding business on the side. That would be awesome. But then again, I really just want to do freelance. So honestly, in the next year, probably 2 years, probably just going to be focusing on building Connor branding and expanding that as much as I can. So yeah, and second question coming from Riley. I think you say Riley, like it's spelled weird, but I think that's how you say it. So his question's gonna say, what made you become a graphic designer? This is something, honestly, I feel like a lot of people know this, but basically I started design when I was 10. Yeah, 10 or 11 I started design, and I was caught up in the Call of Duty community a lot, and I was joining teams and trick shotting, sniping, all that fun stuff. So I started to build like a slight name for myself by just playing Call of Duty and whatnot, and then I ended up meeting some really cool people, and one of them, his name was Bull Design, and he was designing thumbnails for FaZe Hugs at the time. I don't know if you guys remember him. He was in FaZe a long time ago, but yeah, he was designing thumbnails for him, and I got in a Skype call with him when Skype was popular, and I started watching him design headers and stuff, and I was like, wow, this is really cool, because I was into art since I was little, always drawing and stuff. So yeah, after that I was like, alright, I want to start learning this. So I started watching YouTube tutorials and all that stuff from Bear, Cesso, Visual, a few older ones I don't really remember the names of, but yeah, I was just watching tutorials, following them, and now I'm here. Next question comes from R Beefy. Does it annoy you when someone says they're a designer but all they do is put text on a background? It annoys me and I don't know why. Not really. I don't know. I don't really see that much. I mean, everyone comes new to design. Like when you were starting, I can confirm when I was starting, I was basically just putting text on a background and calling myself a GFX designer. So yeah, I don't know. It doesn't really annoy me. I don't know why it bothers you. Next question coming out from Anch. I don't know how you. Some of these names are really hard to pronounce, and I'm sorry if I'm butchering them. Like, I just don't know how to say them. His question is, what kind of designs do you love doing the most? Branding or social media or anything else? So this is a tough one because I'm kind of torn between social media designs and branding and logo design. So I am a nerd when it comes to logo design and branding design, and that's actually what I specialize in. So that's what probably 95% of my clients are logo designs or branding packages, something along those lines. So I would say, I don't know, like I do it the most, and I don't really get bored of it at all, but I don't know, I feel like there's more like passion into doing headers and stuff like that for like esports and gaming, just because that's where I started designing, was for gamers and for streamers and all that stuff. So I think I would enjoy those most. It would be really sick to design like headers full time or something like that, but probably not gonna happen. Next question comes out from Shay YouTube, and he asks, what made you start Twitter? I don't know. I'm trying to think. No, I definitely made a Twitter when I started designing, so yeah, probably just when I started designing I wanted to interact with more designers and obviously potentially get clients in the future. So yeah, that's why I started Twitter. Last question's gonna come out from B-Day. He said, why did 12 people, including you, ask me if I want a logo when I tweeted it, and you responded in less than 5 minutes? Marketing strategist, man, I don't know. If I saw your tweet and you said that you needed a designer, I might have read it, and I was like, wait, I'm a logo designer, I could do that. So then I DM'd you, and I was like, hey, still need a logo, see? That's about it. So thank you guys for tweeting me these questions and asking. I hope I answered them well enough. I'm still a little awkward on camera, I know. It's going to take some time getting used to it. But I will get back into the swing of it, because I used to be fine and like fully comfortable in front of the camera, but after going like 3 years designing and just not uploading my face, really, I don't know, it's weird talking to a camera. It's like I'm talking to a wall, but yeah, hopefully I'll get better with it soon. Anyways, if you guys have any video suggestions, drop them down in the comment section below. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you know you want to be notified when I upload, which hopefully is going to be like once a week. That's what I'm aiming for. That's what I'm trying. But I can't make any promises there because I usually fall through on it, but I'll try not to. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. All my social media links and whatnot, all that in the description. If you guys have any questions, tweet them at me, DM me on Twitter, anything like that. I'm always on Twitter. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Peace out.